Mr. Fresh here. I'm at Raw Stacks, one of the best burger places in Australia. About to have a burger, or two or three. Healthy or not, are burgers healthy for you? What does healthy really mean in terms of food? Because we're getting so confused. We're told not to eat meat, then we're told to only eat meat, be in ketosis, have fruit, don't have fruits. But a healthy food should really mean a high nutrient dense food that's as low in calories as possible. But calories shouldn't really matter, especially if you're exercising a lot like me. You should be able to burn it. Let's break down a burger. We've got bread here, some pickles. Our bread's got carbs, got nutrients as well. It's full of fiber. Lettuce, it's vegetable, it's packed with nutrients and vitamins. Tomato's a fruit. That's got a lot of vitamins as well. We've got some cheese and then a beef patty full of protein, a ton of nutrients and iron. If you're adding chips to the meal, I personally lean it because I need as much carbs as possible. If you want this as healthy as possible, I'd say minimize the chips. You can also get rid of the cheese or the sauce. Even though cheese has got calcium and it's got good fats that we actually need, it's probably got too much fat. If you do that, this meal will be a complete, perfect meal. It's not unhealthy. As long as you're tracking your calories and you know how many calories you need, you know that you can eat whatever you like.